Hello everyone, Sir Z here, your science teacher who loves making videos, and today we'll talk about how do animals reproduce sexually. And this is for the grade 4 science learners. Kids, are you ready to learn science today? Let's go ahead and start learning new things in the world of science. And to make this short and sweet, we will have a quick look of what we have today. Here, kids, are some of the cutest and amazing animals that God created for us. Do you know what they are? Here we have a cat or kitty since it's still a cute baby kitten. A cow that gives us fresh milk that helps make our bones strong, so always drink a glass of milk every day. A cute and cuddly little rabbit. And what we consider man's best friend, a dog, or in this case, a baby dog called Puppy. What can you tell about them, kids? What are their similarities when it comes to being born? These animals class are animals that were born alive, or when their mother gave birth to them, they already look exactly like them with legs and all. How about these animals, kids? Can you identify what they are? This one is a turtle that lives both on land and water, but most of the time they spend their lives exploring the waters like the sea. We also have a duck. Quack, quack, quack. A cute but scary tiny snake. Don't hold them, class, when you see one because they may be poisonous and deadly. Chirping beautiful music on the tree branch is a bird. And, oh my God, how scary these alligators are. You definitely don't want to get near them because of their powerful clamping jaws. So what do you think? How are these animals similar when it comes to being born by their parent animals? Yes, you are correct. They were not born alive. Instead, they were laid first as eggs and then the eggs hatch, with these animals coming out from their shells. These are animals that were laid as eggs that hatch. A baby animal develops from a fertilized egg. The father animal provides a sperm cell that will join with the mother animal's egg cell. A fertilized egg develops into a baby animal, and this process is called fertilization. Fertilization, the process by which a male's sperm cell unites with a female's egg cell to produce an offspring. Class, offsprings means babies or children. In this lesson, we are talking about babies of animals. Take note, class, that regardless what animal we see, all animals start by developing from a fertilized egg. Some were developed in eggs that are still inside their mother animals, while some were laid out to the world still inside their eggshells that were incubated until the eggs hatch. Now that we have an idea how animals were born in two different ways, one group is born alive, as in, born in the form of the actual animal, while another group is born as an egg first and then later hatch out into what they are. Question: what is fertilization then? Again, fertilization is a process wherein the egg cell from the mother animal or creature unites or combines with the sperm cell from the father animal to form and develop into a baby animal that later will be born as a complete animal or born alive, or as an egg that will later hatch to bring out the animal that developed and grew inside the shell. Let's practice what we have just learned through this activity. The direction, class, is that you write the letter B as your answer for each of the animals you see here that were born alive or was given birth by their mother animals looking exactly or similar to how they are. Or write E if the animals was laid out as an egg first before they were hatched out. We got cat, bird, fish, cow, turtle, frog, horse, goat, mosquito, chicken. Are you ready? We'll only have 30 seconds to think since this should be very easy for smart kids like you. Timer starts now. Alright, Let's see if you were able to identify each correctly. Again, B is the answer if the animal indicated is born alive, or E if the animal is laid out as an egg first. The answer for number 1, cat, is B, because cats are born alive or born already in the form of a cat. Bird is letter E because birds are laid out as eggs first before the little birds hatch out from the shell. E for number 3, fish. B for cow. E for the turtle. Frogs lay eggs, so it's letter E. B for horse. Goat is letter B as well. Mosquitoes are laid as eggs first, so letter E is the answer. And E for chicken. Were you able to answer all 10 correct, class? Very good, class. You did great. You now know how to identify what animals are born alive looking like their parent animals from birth and animals that were laid out as eggs first before the baby animals hatch from their shells. As always, study hard not just to pass your subjects, but more importantly to exercise your brain muscles to get them ready for exploring and discovering the world around you. Once again, this is Sir Z, your science teacher who loves making videos. Until next time for learning science. God bless.